Hello everyone, you must be curious about how the perfect products came out. Today I will tell you how we complete the quality inspection of products. First, we will cut a part of the produced label raw material and take it to the laboratory for testing. The test is divided into 4 steps. Step 1. Rolling test. Flatten raw materials to testing viscosity. Step 2. Tensile test. Test the ductility of the materials. Step 3. Stiffness test. Continuously testing material stiffness to meet standards. Step 4. Weighing test. To test whether the grams weight of the products is sufficient. When these steps are tested and passed, a perfect product is produced. Follow me if you want to know more.